Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel, Australian Bisaya. It's Jane here. To this video, we're going to attend an Anzac dance service here in Greenwell Point. So we're here. So, mayong buntag. Sorry, Bobby. Ma-experience namin yung Anzac dito sa Australia. Yung taong ngit-ngit pa kaayo, oh. My first time to attend an Anzac dawn service. Coffee daily grind. So, ganito ang itsura sa Grind Plus. Yes, please. You want coffee, te? Ano sa'yo, te? Cappuccino, please.
Sugar, Emma?
Yeah, two sugar.
Two sugars. Small one too as well, Bobby. Good morning. Today is an Anzac day here in Australia and New Zealand. So may toilet dito. Kung naihi tayo. Mabaho pala. Nagko-coffee na kami ni Ate Ima. Waga namin gumising kasi mag-attend kami ng commemorate ng... Uy, Jesus. Pipi. It's okay lang. Then punta kami sa may tabing dagat. Kasi doon banda na side is a park. Pwede mag-barbecue. Finally, nagka-catch up na tayo. So, yung mga busy na time natin. Morning. Linet Emma. So, Greenwell Point Jetty. So, dito yun ipapark yung mga jet ski nyo. Shadow natin. Caution. So, sobrang dark pa dito. Natutulog pa people. Hala, a cutie dog. Hi. So wala pa tayong makikita, so it's really dark. Hindi ko alam, siguro ito yung itsura pag medyo gabi or madilim. So yan ang may swimming pool sa loob. So we're gonna go across na. What is Anzac Day and why is it celebrated? Anzac stands for Australian and New Zealand Army Corps. Anzac dawn service is not started yet, we're so early. And why is it celebrated? Anzac Day is a commemoration of the anniversary of the landing of Australian and New Zealand troops at Gallipoli, Turkey on 25 of April in 1915.
Joy probably never missed this dawn service since its inception, and she was ready, prepared to be with us this morning. But sadly, we said goodbye to Joy last Wednesday. Joy died at 104, nearly 105 years of age. She was the oldest member of the Narrowsell sub-branch, and I expect she was the oldest person in this village, and she will be missed. We are assembled here to commemorate that immortal day when the young men of Australia, by their deeds and sacrifice, demonstrated to the world at Gallipoli that Australia was truly a nation. The sons and daughters of Anzacs came forward without question, accepted gladly and discharged fully their responsibilities during World War II, Korea, Malaya, Borneo, Vietnam, the Gulf conflicts, Afghanistan, and all our peacekeeping forces throughout the world. On this day, we remember the sacrifice of such men and women for an ideal, for a way of life. Let us take strength in the knowledge and hope that our sons and daughters will never forget the example set by their forefathers. In our everyday life, let us endeavour to carry on those traditions established in past wars and conflicts at such tragic cost. So let us mourn with pride, but let us also remember with equal pride those who served and still live. Would all gentlemen please remove their hats?
Right, ho! Right, up, cut! Right, and up, hey!
Billy Hopkins on behalf of Liza Butler. Shoalhaven City Council, Councillor Matthew Norris on behalf of Mayor Amanda Finley.
First, Australia and New Zealand's war dead who lost their lives in the Gallipoli landing during the First World War. As an Australian citizen, I would like to learn and be involved in Australian history.
Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our service here. The parade will now march back to the hall. Thank you for attending, and our special thanks to all those who helped behind the scenes. Thank you all.
Against the miners in Arica, which is near Shepparton.
So 5, 7, 6:30.
Bendigo and all that. A lot of horrible wars all over.
Yeah, hopefully it won't happen again.
It will. Wherever there's a human race, there will always be war because there's always power, government, greedy governments. China, they want Taiwan. That's our next war. It's coming. Next 3 years, I reckon.
Hopefully we'll pray harder.
You can smell that the salt water's down.
Salt water or pool?
No, that's the salt water's gone.
Okay.
The what's the name's out.
Wow, beautiful flowers.
It's the smell when the mud, the mud black.
Ah.
And then when the ocean comes back in, won't smell. Got the 10 o'clock one at our work. 10 o'clock
Another
service.
service.
Most services around here, around town at 10 o'clock.
That's why you and
But I
You're
prefer the
going?
early one because I'm always up at 4 o'clock watching them.
The same people when they...
John will be and the other veterans. But there'll be other people there that would have been there tonight, this morning.
is that 1 hour as well?
Yeah. The hours go for 40 minutes. Then they all come in, then I've got to give them more beer.
Turn to the left.
Bloody hard work. You get busy, then I finish work at 3, I'm going to be so tired. I'll come home and go,
Matutulog.
Nice for cooking,
Yeah.
bring the part.
Gusto mo mag-walking tayo, te?
It's nice early work,
Yeah,
walking.
you want to walk then?
Yeah.
You bring the
Dog.
dog?
So magkita tayo sa Twin Water Park.
Next one up. Feed him meat. Meat.
Meat
He
or,
likes meat.
meat or bread?
In
Meat.
backyard,
Meat.
lots of bird because
Yeah.
I
Feed them?
bread every morning.
Come out and feed him meat. And he'll come in next to you.
It's okay.
Yeah, they're beautiful. Yeah.
Cook.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Tim. Like my friends, kids at work. What's the sounds of Kookaburra?
See you down.
See you, Tim. Hang on, Bobby. I'm gonna do another. Is she beautiful? Okay. Bye, bye. So na-drop namin sa Tim. So we're going.
Okay, look at it.
The overlooking house view. Skippy. Oh, the door is open. Oh, look at them. There's mommy and... Hello, beautiful. Oh, they're so pretty, Bobby. There's the overlooking house. Tumalon. What? You just go turn around, darling. I'm just go walking in our house, okay?
There's 2 dogs there.
So, Pomeranians. Hello. What? Hi? Hi, Macy. What kind of type of dog?
What's it called? Jack Russell and Jack Russell and what? Foxy, yeah. Jack
Ah.
Russell and Foxy, yeah.
Oh, look at them. They're wagging their tail. Oh,
Don't like you? No,
it's okay. He just. Why? You're really cranky with bear now. Why is that? Do you used to be playing in the?
They were playing.
Hello. G'day, little doggy. G'day, buddy. Okay. Oh, you know, hey.
He's a,
Silly thing you are.
he's an attacker.
No, she's having brekkie.
They're so cute.
Understand.